There is a famous story about Rav Yisrael Salanter, founder of the Musar movement of Jewish ethics. He said, "When I was a young man, I wanted to change the world, but I found it was difficult to change the world, so I tried to change my country. When I found I couldn't change my country, I began to focus on my town. However, I discovered that I couldn't change the town, so as I grew older, I tried to change my family. Now, as an old man, I realize the only thing I can change is myself. But I've come to recognize that if long ago I had started with myself, then I could have made an impact on my family. And my family and I could have made an impact on our town. And that, in turn, could have changed the country, and we could all indeed have changed the world." There is a growing debate within Jewish circles about the term Tikkun Olam, meaning to fix or change the world. Some Jews place this at the center of our nation's mission. The mission of the Jewish people, according to this approach, is to stand with the oppressed and bring societal change and redemption to the entire world. Others, however, have criticized this approach. Some feel that the notion that Tikkun Olam stands at the center of Judaism has warped the focus of Judaism as a religious movement and makes it more into a political movement. Jonathan Neuman is one of those people. In his book, To Heal the World, he writes, "The most important point to keep in mind is that social justice is a political ideology. According to Neuman, the emphasis on social justice misappropriates what Judaism is all about. Tikkun Olam is not the balm to heal the world, but the disorder that afflicts American Judaism." So, who is right? There was only one rabbi present for both the 1943 March on Washington as well as the 1965 March on Selma. His name was Rabbi Abraham Joshua Heschel. After returning from the march in Selma, he explained why he marched. This is what his daughter recalled. "When he came home from Selma in 1965, my father wrote, 'For many of us, the march from Selma to Montgomery was about protest and prayer. Legs are not lips and walking is not kneeling, and yet our legs uttered songs. Even without words, our march was worship. I felt my legs were praying.'" What does it mean to pray with your feet? Heschel's quote is based on an earlier phrase from Frederick Douglass, a former slave who later became a leader in the abolitionist movement. He reportedly said, "Praying for freedom never did me any good till I started praying with my feet." Prayer normally is spoken without mouths. The word prayer, in Hebrew, means to judge. Rabbi Samson Raphael Hirsch explains that the act of prayer is an act of self-judgment and self-inquiry before God. We consider our personal merits and the justice manifest in our own lives. Tikkun Olam means to heal the world. But which world? For some, it is just about their own personal universe. Each person, after all, is considered a world unto themselves. But for others, the act of prayer, the commitment to self-examination, is actually a commitment to expand their own world. In the introduction to his classic work Sha'arei Yosher, Rabbi Shimon Shkop writes as follows: "Although it at first glance seems that the feelings of love for oneself and feelings of love for another are in competition, we have the duty to try to delve into it, to find the means to unite them, since God expects both from us. A person must have clear for himself and accept the truth of the essence of his I. The entire I of a coarse and lowly person is restricted only to his substance and body. Above him is someone who feels that his I is a synthesis of body and soul, and above him is someone who can include in his I all of his household and family. Someone who lives in the way of the Torah. His I includes the whole Jewish people, since in truth every Jewish person is only like a limb of the body of the nation of Israel. In this progression, there are more levels for a fully developed person who can ingrain in his soul the feeling that the entire world is his I, and he himself is only one small limb of all of creation. Then, his self-love helps him love the entire Jewish people and all of creation. What is in your world? What is included in your I? Like the story we began with, sometimes Tikkun Olam begins by addressing your own personal world, developing it and then expanding it. When we don't just pray with our mouths but pray with our feet, we allow our sense of self to include more and more. Healing and expanding your personal world is the first step to changing the entire world. A sense of self that includes just you is empty. Slowly, with each small step, a prayer of sorts allows you to bring others into your world as well, and together, you can bring Tikkun Olam to our larger universe.